Right, so I'm using the add-on called OrangeSlice Teacher Rubric. Rubrics are super nice for teachers to use because it allows them to grade assignments quickly while also giving students relevant feedback. So it's really nice that there's an add-on here that makes it super easy to make one because rubrics can actually take a lot of time. So we're going to get started. First, it's going to ask us performance level progression. We're just going to keep it at descending. Then it asks for performance levels, and we're going to go with the traditional letter grades. Then it's going to ask us to select the categories. We're going to just stick with the first 5 we see. So these are what the students would be graded on. There is an option to like just start by making your own. Down here with I got this one, but we can change all of these later if that's what we want. It just gives like the general outline as you can see. So super easy, super quick, but also a great way to communicate with students. This even like right off it gives you an option to score these rubrics. So it can all be online. It's very easy for teachers to see. All I have to do is go in and click what letter they got. This kid apparently did fabulous on whatever assignment this was and got straight A's. So kudos to him or her. We're also going to want to go in and look at settings. And we want to put in the performance points. I already have this set, so it's 20 points total. So we're going to say an A gives them 4 points, a B will give them 3, a C 2, and a D 1, and an F 0. Now we're not going to weight anything, and so this is looking pretty good to me. We already got the grades, and you know what, we're going to give this kid a penalty because it's late. 5%, no big deal. And then we can finish with that, process the grade, and we can see exactly, oh, he did great on all of these subjects, but he did get a late penalty. So it's a really easy way to communicate with students, very efficient, very feasible for teachers. So this is an excellent tool.